Hey guys, it's your boy Junior here, bringing another great video to the channel. Alright guys, I got another product that Pyle sent to me that I'm very excited. I've been wanting one of these for a while and I'm glad they sent it to me. I got these after I already got another set that I wanted. And I'm gonna stick with my other set because of the brand that I have. It works out better for me with the other one. But these are great and I'm very excited to open and check them out and see how they look and how they act and all that good stuff. All right, so you guys are wondering, what did I get in the mail today? I got these wonderful Pyle desktop wireless Bluetooth bookshelf speakers, guys. These are speakers that you just put on the desk. You can use them with wire or Bluetooth, or however you want to get it. Me personally, I don't like to use Bluetooth speakers because there is a delay in them compared to the video you see on the screen. So I prefer not to use Bluetooth. So I like to use wired. So if I do decide to ever use these on this computer, which it probably won't, it's gonna be on my other computer, I'm gonna use it as a wire instead of a wireless. But if you want to use them with Bluetooth, you can. So these will work. So here they are. And these are the model number PBKST33. They come in this brown box. I don't know if there's another box inside, but I didn't open the box just because the speakers are already shown right here. So I want to make sure that this is not the original box. So basically it has the speaker picture here, the whole setup there. Other side, same thing. On the top it just says Pyle USA and the website. On the sides it just gives you a description of the speakers. Very simple. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up now and see what's inside because I'm excited about this. I did want to get these originally before I got the other ones, but didn't get them. I got the other ones instead because it was very hard for me to find a set of speakers that I wanted for my desktop. I didn't want something too clunky. I didn't want something too small. I want something powerful enough. So I got these instead. So these are, I'm definitely gonna keep these for myself, but as to how I'm gonna use them is gonna be a different story. All right, so I'm gonna open it up here. All right, so thank God I didn't open it because this is the original box right here. All right, so we're gonna open this up here. And just like Pyle does, they always give you a warranty card here with the manual. And they do provide an optical cable for you guys to use if you do need to use it, which that's the best way to connect it to your computer, to do optical if you're able to do so. So I would suggest these. All right. Okay, so I definitely won't use this on my main PC for one reason, and one reason right away. They're white speakers. So I know I won't be using it on this setup. Because my whole setup basically is black and beige setup on my here. So I keep the only thing that's white is this tower right here, but I'm already planning on switching that out anyway. So I'm gonna put this manual cable on the floor so I don't keep trying to grab it from falling. All right, so we're gonna open it up, and you got the speakers right here, and you have this box right here, and I'm assuming that's all the cables and everything you're gonna need to hook it up. So let's take a look at it. I'm gonna take out the box first because I'll do the speakers last. Okay, inside this box. All right, so this box gives you the remote control for the speakers right here. This cushion thing, I don't know why they put it in here, but it's okay. I'll leave it in there. And they did provide some audio cables here. There's 2 sets for each speaker, and the power plug to power up the speaker right here. So they provide everything right here in this box. That's all it is in this box. I'm gonna put this inside. All right, and now I'm gonna take out the speakers. All right. And then inside the box there's nothing else left, as you can see. So I'm gonna take these out. Put this down. And these are the speakers, guys. Pretty small speakers, but they look like they give a little kick to it. So I'm really excited about these. These are pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna open them up, take them out the plastic completely. If these were black, I definitely would have been using these. But these are very, very nice setup speakers. The structure of it is very nice. The layout, everything's design is very nice. Like if I had put it, if this was black and I had put it on here, I mean, this could really work because right now the height of the speaker is higher than the bottom of my monitor, so I could always turn this to the side like this and it still looks good, and it'll definitely fit there. So I could have used this here only if they were black. But they come in white. All right, I don't know if they do have black ones, but they sent me the white ones. All right, and the other speaker look exactly the same. All right, so there is no controlling on the speakers themselves in the front or on the side or anything like that. So there's no control. It's whatever you have it controlled on your computer. You set the volume on your computer and everything. So to me, that sometimes is better because I don't have to worry about how they control on the speaker itself. So this actually, I like the design of it. All right, so the back of these speakers, so that's how the front looks right here with the mesh, the speaker there, and the whole side, everything with the two sticks right there. All right, so the back of it is where you have some of the controlling on it. So on this one, you have just one input here. What you do with that one of the wires they gave you, you hook up the wire here and you connect it to this speaker right here because this is the master speaker. And then it'll power this one up and everything. So that's why you don't have to worry about it. All right. So on the back of this one, we have the speaker air hole. It looks like we have a volume button right here for the speaker. So the controls are in the back. You have a mode or source, whatever, because you can either use optical, USB, or RCA connections. So this is how you change the source of which one you want to use, either USB, optical, or RCA. Simple as that. And there's other RCA right here. That's the one that you use to plug it into the other speaker. Very simple. And then you have a port right here that you plug in your power cable on. And then on the bottom is a power button. I'm gonna bring it up close so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, so like I showed you, the optical cable there, USB port there, the volume controls here. This is the source button right here. So you check the input, and as you did, there's three inputs. There's an input for the optical cable, the USB, and the RCA. And this is the RCA that you connect to the other subwoofer. I don't know, it doesn't say right. It says subwoofer there. Speaker out. Right there it says speaker out. I didn't know exactly what it says. So it says speaker out there. And then you got your power plug right there. And then you have the power button right there to turn it on and off as you please. And of course the outlet for the speaker. All right. So pretty much that's it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this up and see how it sounds. I might try to hook it up by Bluetooth and see if I can play my videos off my phone. Because the easiest way, again, I don't want to hook it up to my computer because I don't want to mess the settings. I would have to plug more stuff in. It's a pain. At least for me, it's a pain to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the power cable right here. Unplug it. Untangle it from taking it out from the strip here. Once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up. And I'm gonna plug it down here because it'll be the easiest way to plug it up because I have a plug underneath my desk over here. So that's powered up. Am I gonna connect the other speaker? So this is, let's see. All right, so this is the speaker wire that you connect this subwoofer, this speaker to this speaker. I'm not gonna untangle the whole thing. I'm just gonna make it long enough so I can connect to each one. Simple as that. And let's say you don't want to use the RCA cables here because your computer doesn't have RCA. They do provide you RCA cables to 3.5mm jack. So you know what? Just to make life a lot easier for me, instead of trying to connect the Bluetooth to it, I'm gonna hook up the RCA cable. The RCA cables here, and hook up the 3.5mm jack in the back because I can do that real quick. That's not a big deal. So I'm going to connect the RCA, and then I'm going to go in the back of my computer and hook this up. All right, so I plugged it up real quick. I think I got the right one. So, okay, so I just switched the input because I have a button right here on my Stream Deck, and I can switch the input from that plug to my headset right here with a switch of the button. Very simple. So right now, let me power up the speakers. Okay, so this does have a notification right here that it's on or off. Let me go ahead and see if I can turn it off. I think it's off. Okay, so now it shows on. Let me turn up the volume. Okay, so it might be at a different mode, that's why. So let me change the mode.
But this one, I do not believe it has a built-in battery.
So right now it's working.
A lot more cheaper than those up there. But regardless, this is good to have at home. If you have a pool at home, and
sounds good, guys. Sounds really good.
And you're doing a barbecue, this is perfect. You plug it up. You have a nice little speaker here, and you're all set to go.
All right. But as you can see, that's how it works, and that's it, guys. Really, that's it. You guys need to show you wonderful speakers. They work great. You mess around with it and you learn new things. Simple as that. All right, so that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and everything I showed you today. If you did, make sure you check out the product down below. I'll leave a link down there for you guys to check it out. And if you did enjoy this video and everything I showed you, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they don't miss out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as you can. And if you still haven't done so at the end of the video, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.